Let's check out the best PowerPoint slide zooms from level 1 to level 100. And let's start with level 1. And by the way, links to detailed tutorials for all of these slide zooms are in the video description. And here comes level 10. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And next, let's check out level 20, skadoosh. And here is level 30, that's super duper awesome. Let's continue with level 40, that's easy peasy lemon squeezy. And now let's check out level 50, skadoosh. Here comes level 55, looking beautiful. And next, let's check out level 60, that's super duper awesome. Here is level 65, skadoosh. Let's continue with level 70. That's super duper awesome. And now let's check out level 75, looking beautiful. And here comes level 80. That's easy peasy lemon squeezy. Next, let's check out level 85, Skadoosh. And here is level 90. That's super duper awesome. Let's continue with level 95, looking beautiful. And finally, let's check out level 100. That's super duper awesome. And by the way, links to detailed tutorials for all of these slide zooms are in the video description. And if you would like to unleash the full potential of slide zooms in your presentations, then check out this video and I'll see you there.